Alright, so we bought a Power-TEC stripe off disc with 6mm shank from Amazon. It's about £7–8. Basically it's this, it's a rubber disc. You can see it's got a bit of an edge on it there, and it's got a line you can rub down using it to there, and this is primarily designed for taking decals off and stickers off. You can take them off with a hot air gun if you want, but once this gets warmed up, it doesn't damage the paintwork. You need a fairly decent drill, but it's the business. So we've already taken some of that off, and as you see, we'll do this bit up here. Rest assured it does not damage the paint. I'll do half of this, you see what we're saying, how quick it is. Just need to clean off for a bit of like spirits or something. Let's just get that quick. A bit of white spirit will tighten that. I think you'll agree, my friends, that stripe off disc, and I've never seen them before, just looking around for a quick way to do it. They're a really efficient and quick way of doing it. You can get cheaper ones, but the reason we went for Power-TEC is the reviews were really good. But you notice how I'm holding it at an angle there, and you just need to press that at an angle like that so it's on. Yeah, just nice and gently. Yeah. Take a bit off this if you want.
Okay, so do that.
That's probably
right.
Anyway, I hope that helped. Yeah.